Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to freeze rows on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. So of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through any browser you're using or through the Microsoft Store. And of course, you would like to download the whole Office apps, not just the Excel application. And those Office apps are actually paid, and including Excel, of course. Then once everything is downloaded, you can just delete whatever you want or install whatever you want. So of course, if you just downloaded the app or if you already have it downloaded, just go and open the application out, and that should be your home screen or your main screen. And here you can actually log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, just go and create one, and make sure those are paid apps. So you have to activate your account by paying or doing or figuring out a solution for you. For me here, you can actually click at new, so you can actually start a new blank workbook or just choose some of their templates here, or you can open something from your PC if it's already saved, like an Excel file or a Google Sheets file. For me, I'm just going to click at new, so I can actually create a new blank workbook. And as we said, we would like to freeze some rows. So let's just write something here in the first row. We can just go write this, sorry, not this row. This was a mistake, and this and this. And now if we would like to go down, we would like to still see the first row and should be freezes. So how can we actually do that? Simply, if you want to do that, just select the row below the row that you want to freeze. Then let's say as an example, you want to freeze one, you should select the row 2. If you want to freeze 10, you should select 11, and etc. Of course. Then on the view tab, now we would like to select 2, and on the view tab, which is going to be this, simply you'll have to click at the freeze button. And of course here, sorry, I select this row, then go and click at freeze pans, then click at this freeze the top row. And now if you go down, as you can see, the first row is freezed, and that will be it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys again for watching it. Goodbye.